Hello. Today what I want to do is I want to just show you a few more items where I upgraded my Hunter belt pouch survival kit. And I just added a couple more items to this. I took out the fishing line because I won't be doing much fishing now. I could have used that for other things, but I do have cordage in here. So how I upgraded this, first off, I have a folding saw in here. I replaced the Bahco with this one here because the Bahco I wear on my belt. I put that in there, and also I put a life straw in there. So that allows me to be able to purify my water without boiling. So that's just a couple items, but there's one more that I added and I want to go over, is this right here. I was contacted by a fellow asking if I would like to try out this light. This is a Trustfire MT10, and when I look at lights for survival or the outdoors, they have to have a long run time. So here are some specs. I'm going to leave a link where you can check this out and check over the specs and such as well. But what got my attention is on 3 lumens, this will run for 200 hours. That is a long time, and 3 lumens around camp and such isn't bad. So you can light up your night just a little bit, but still you're able to see the walk-ins. That can last a long time, 200 hours. Next low setting is 50 lumens. That is 390 minutes. The middle setting is 150 lumens. That goes for 126 minutes. And then the high can go up to 1,000 lumens and it lasts 60 minutes. So if I really need to light something up, I can. But the lower settings around camp and such, that is what I actually look for, because I want something that's going to last. If I'm stuck out there for a couple weeks, use it sparingly, this could do that, because 200 hours of lighting time is a long time. So I wanted to share that with you. Like I said, I'll put a link and such. It's a quick video. I'm going back out on my hunt, but I just wanted to share these couple other items that might give you some ideas. Take care and stay safe.